Hello friends. So I got the Chi hair curler. My hair is really bad about like curling, and you know, with my hands not working so well. I am never good at curling my hair, and I saw this and I was like, it is pretty neat. So I have not opened this, so let's figure out how to use this together. This is what it looks like. It reminds me of like a flower, you know, and I got the red color too just because it just looks like a rose to me. And this is how my natural hair looks. I haven't done anything at all. I washed them this morning and I just let them air dry. Ooh, I'm scared. It moves like this. Alright, so it's at 360 degrees and I think that's good enough. Please don't pull my hair. I'm scared. How do I do it? I don't even know how to do this. Take my hair. Okay, it's only... I don't see it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do this. Send help. Okay, so I have this whole strand up in here, and I think it beeps when it's done. And I'm doing the other side to release them. Okay, this looks like a mess. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just spending too much time on one strand. Let's try a second strand. Let's move forward. So I'm gonna put the top in. Let's see how fast I can do this. Okay, yeah, I think you are supposed to put the top in. Okay, I see you. There's this opening, so you put the wherever you want the curl to start, and then you press this and it sucks the rest of the hair in. And then you take it out. Okay. Oh, nice. I see you. Okay. Okay guys, look at that. Pretty. Look at all the curls. Alright, I like you. So there's a lot of curls, and they're pretty well. They're not like, I don't think I need a hairspray to hold them. See these curls over here. But I do like the open curl look, so I'm just gonna go with my hands and open them. So it's not really gonna be much different than my natural hair, but alright, looking more done up. Wow. Okay. Do like it, thumbs up. Okay, you win. It took me about 5 minutes to do this whole side. So that's amazing because I can never get curls right. So I approve this product, guys. If my approval even matters, but and Jeffree Star over here. Okay, so the second item I got was another flat iron because I needed another flat iron. So it's heating up and it heats up pretty quickly because I just plugged it in and it's at 250, well, almost 300 now. Okay, so the iron is ready. Wow, this is very smooth. I don't have to do any work, like it's just flowing down my hair. So let's see how long it takes to straighten this side of my head. Wow, this is really fast. And I didn't even divide my hair. Okay, this is going too smooth. It's like I don't even have any hair in there. This one is the Chi G2. Oh my goodness, I love it. I am not a big raver, you know, you guys know I mostly complain. So wow. Okay. Which side do you like? Straight or curly? I love the irons that can add some like shine to the hair, and this definitely did that. Okay guys, so this was my review for Chi Spin and Curl and Chi G2. So this thing and this thing. If you guys want to know the price and the link and stuff where I bought it, I'll link it in the description. And both of these I paid about I paid around like $99 each, so I spent about $200 for both of them. So I'm hoping that the quality is still the same for Chi back in 2011 when I bought my first iron. My iron still works, by the way. It works good. It's just the top of it is like chipping off now, like the coating of it. So it's not adding as much shine in my hair as it used to. So that's why I was looking for a new one, but my old one still works. So I am really impressed by Chi products. So I hope this lasts me another 10 years so I can make the $200 worth it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and add me on Instagram, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye bye.